reception. So hopefully you've watched the video of us reading Room on the Broom together already. So now let's go back to the title. The title being what the story is called. Room on the Broom. Now let's practice saying that in different voices just so we really get the sounds in our heads. My turn. Room on the broom. Your turn.
My turn. Room on the broom.
Your turn. My turn. Room on the broom. Your turn. So, room on the broom. How many words do we have in room on the broom? Let's have a look. Room on the broom. We have 4 words in our title. Now, quick challenge question. How many of those words are keywords? Have a look. Room on the broom. The answer is 2. Room is not one of our keywords, is it? On absolutely is. The absolutely is. Broom is not one. So well done if you said 2 keywords. Now, what are the 2 rhyming words? Which 2 words in the title rhyme? Room on the broom. Well done if you said room and broom. Room and broom. They sound almost the same, but not quite. So, let's take the first word, room. Now, as we can see in our title, we've actually got a capital R here, our capital R at the beginning, because it's the name of the story. We're going to use our lowercase for our rhymes, just because that's what we've practiced writing. But just so we don't get confused, that's why it's a capital letter there. Now, room. Let's really sound it out. Room. U. So using our thread fingers again. My turn. U. How many sounds in the word room? Well done, there are 3. The first sound is U. Room. Let me just double check. Room. Now there are 3 sounds because remember this middle one here, oo, is one of our digraphs, the one that we will never forget. Pooh at the zoo. Room. Now that's our room taken care of, but how are we going to turn that into broom? So let's have a look. First, let's write down, so we don't lose it. Write down our room. Room. Now I'm just going to put my sound buttons underneath so we can really, really notice those sounds. Right, let's go back to our broom. Now we've got room, now we want broom. So I don't need to change all my sounds because as we said, the words sound quite similar, so we can keep some of the ones we already have. But does broom start with a No, we know it doesn't, so let's take that away. Broom. Now we can hear that broom starts with a B, so let's pick out our B, B for boot, and let's put that here. Now we're going to sound it out to check. B, oo, boom, 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 boom. Now I can hear that that's not quite the word that I want, so I'm going to have a look around here because I know that there's something missing around here. I'm going to really sound out my broom. B-er, oo, B-er, B-er. I'm missing my so let's move this along. I'm going to pop my in there. Now let's check it again. B-er, B-er, broom. My turn, broom. Your turn. My turn, broom. Your turn. Well done. So I've got room here, and now I can add broom as one of my rhyming words. Ooh. And again, I'm just going to put my sound buttons on there, just so I can really notice which ones have changed and which ones are the same. Now let's go for one more. We've got our room and broom. Let's see if we can come up with one more word that rhymes with room and broom. Room, broom. Now I'm thinking about how fast that broomstick's going to go. It might zoom through the air. Now zoom starts with Z. So I don't think I need these ones anymore. I'm going to take this one off, and I'm going to find my Z for zip. My zigzag zig. Zoom. Z, oo, Zoom. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to again add that. Z, oo, Z, oo, Zoom. My turn. Room. Your turn. My turn. Broom. Your turn. My turn. Zoom. Your turn. My turn. Room. Broom. Zoom. Your turn. Well done. Now that we've had a little go at experimenting with our sounds to come up with different rhyming words, what we're going to do is have a look at this little table here. You've got something similar in your learning pack, and it looks like this. Now you're going to use your sounds to experiment and come up with different words. So you might look at the word cat, and think about how you can change your sounds. So, technical difficulty there. So you're going to change your first sound, cat. You're going to change this one so that you can come up with a new word to add to your cat column. So I'm going to take that away and think cat. Now in the story, cat rhymed with hat, so I'm going to find my h for hat. I'm going to put that at the front instead. At hat. I'm going to add that to my rhyming chart. At hat. And then I'm going to keep going. I'm going to come up with as many as I can for cat, as many as I can for dog, and as many as I can for pan. So come up with as many as you can, really challenge yourself, push yourself to come up with as many as you can, and I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Good luck.